I'm about to show you 7 AI businesses that you can start by working just 4 hours on Saturday and Sunday that will eventually replace your 9 to 5. In the last year, I built an AI business that makes me over $150,000 every single month. And right now, there's more opportunity than ever to create an AI business that does all of the work for you. So I'm about to show you the step-by-step on how to take advantage of this opportunity. From coming up with the idea, to getting your first client, all the way to delivering a no-brainer service that clients will pay you $1,000 to $3,000 every single month for. So sit back and prepare to learn how to double your income in the next 90 days. Starting off with my most favorite strategy, which is AI-driven lead generation. So lead generation is by far the biggest opportunity vehicle to change my life forever. Being able to run ads for certain local businesses changed my life. There's my 100K a month award from hitting 100K a month in my agency over 2 years ago. The first time that I ever ran ads, actually, I took a free Google Ads course online, ran ads for a client, and made him $40,000 in the first month. That's why I knew, holy shit, this has some serious potential. So what is AI lead generation? Most businesses just want clients, customers, patients, etc. They want name, phone numbers, and emails of people interested in their products and services so they can either call or bring them into the office or business and close them on their services. And that's where you come in. You see, most businesses have no idea how to run Facebook ads, and it's actually a lot easier than you think. You see, I actually have a full video on YouTube highlighting how I run Facebook ads for my clients and get them leads for as little as a couple dollars. So I go through everything, and it's not as complicated as you think. Essentially, what you need to do is go into Facebook Ads Manager, set up a few quick, tweaks on the buttons here and there, and then you're ready to go and run some ads. Probably the biggest thing that incorporates AI into this system is the AI-driven lead creative. So check out this video on how to actually media buy or run the actual ads. I won't go too much into detail on that. I want to give you the more broader strategy, but what I will go into detail on is the AI-driven lead generation creative. So when we run AI-driven lead generation, before we had issues with clients getting us back footage and overcoming a lot of different obstacles when you rely on Canva or graphic designers or video editors, and now AI does a lot of the heavy lifting. So what we can do with AI is we can use a tool like VO3, which you see here, to do some crazy things, like having a Bigfoot in the middle of the forest doing a selfie vlog, kind of recap our offer and our services, right? I thought that was a pretty fun one. You can always see things that I do for some of my ads in the ads library that are pretty cool, like having news anchors, breaking news, new patient special, $47. These things kind of crush for us as well too. There's a couple other options that you can do inside of Flow that are pretty interesting. I had like a YouTuber, with a volcano exploding in the background, right? Another news anchor outlet. I had medieval times with explosions and everything happening in the background of these videos. So pretty crazy what you can come up with. Now again, I have a whole video on VO3 alone. I won't get into too much detail on this, but you can use VO3, Sora 2, HeyGen, ArcAds, Captions AI, whatever AI-driven video creative produces the best results for you or your clients' markets. So essentially what we're going to do is we're going to use Facebook ads or another similar ad platform. We're going to make the videos with cutting-edge AI tools that are actually pretty simple to use. We're going to run those ads for our clients, and we're going to get them to pay us anywhere from $1,000 to $10,000 a month, plus maybe even a bonus percentage on the revenue that we generate for them. The next cutting edge strategy to make more than your 9 to 5 is AI voice receptionists. Now this is a really popular one nowadays. This can either be combined with the leads that you generate for your clients, right, that we talked about in the first strategy, or you can use this on top of it or separately. If they're already running their ads, they're already getting their leads, then you can plug in that voice receptionist on top of it. So what this looks like is essentially you using a platform like Assistable, Retail, Vappy. There's a lot of these platforms right now. It doesn't matter so much the platform that you choose, more so the actual execution of the strategy. So what you can do is you can check out assistable.com is a really popular one that we use. And essentially what you can do is you can build these voice agents inside of Go High Level or another CRM stack, set them up inside of Go High Level, connect them to the client's calendars, and then it books appointments all automatically for them. So pretty pretty cool stuff right there. So these voice receptionists we can sell from anywhere from, $500 to $2,000, $3,000, $5,000, even if it's more sales generative than anything else. And I definitely recommend this strategy as one of the huge ones to get rich in the AI revolution. Strategy number 3 that we're going to talk about is an AI SDR. So what's the difference between an AI voice receptionist and an AI SDR? Well, an AI voice receptionist kind of does receptionist capabilities, where if a business somebody calls into like a chiropractor or a dentist, for example, they're calling inbound, they say, hey, I want to book an appointment. The AI does that. That's a pretty easy call to handle. Now, some clients might want a little bit more customization, lead qualification, and want the AI to drive a little bit more sales and revenue, right? So this is where we call it an SDR, which is essentially an AI-driven sales rep. So what the difference is this one is able to lead qualify. Usually your clients say, hey, we only want leads that meet these qualifications to be able to book in for a consult or be able to talk to somebody about our services. So this requires some more advanced calibration and some more outbound capabilities. So usually with a receptionist, all the calls are coming inbound. With an AI SDR, these are calls that are going outbound. So say I have a lead come in from the ads and I have my AI SDR call those leads multiple times. That's what I consider an AI SDR or a sales rep. So this is a really, really valuable tool. You can build these out in Assistable, Retail, Vappy, N8N, whatever platform that you prefer. And allowing you to do this will be significantly beneficial for the clients because you'll drive revenue. So more so than the receptionist, where yes, you're saving them money and helping them make a little bit more money by answering those calls, the SDR significantly helps them make a lot more money. The next topic that I want to talk about to escape your 9 to 5 and get rich in the AI revolution is AI SaaS. So AI-driven SaaS is about to explode in the next couple months and years. Now, I'm really excited about what the potential has for this unique implementation. So over the past couple months, I built 2 custom softwares for me and my own companies by myself with no developers or any prior coding experience, just being able to use platforms like Lovable, Cursor, Bolt, Replit, etc. These platforms allow you to basically build code with AI in a really cool way. So essentially we have a couple options like a Lovable, for example. Lovable allows you to one-shot a prompt to create any kind of software. So I'll show you, for example, I created this software for my own coaching program that helps scale AI-driven agency owners. Shameless plug, check the link in the bio if you're interested in that. If not, stick around for some free game. Now, with this, what was really interesting is I was basically able to tell it what I want. So hit a little prompt window down below and say, hey, I want you to build a software that has this functionality, and then it did it. And it was really crazy. So we have things like a full custom roadmap. I have things like a community messages, a full classroom platform, coaching call calendars. We have a white label AI, I have workflow libraries that pop off. I have a ton of different features, prompt libraries, AI copywriters, sales call analyzers, etc. So really, really cool stuff in terms of what it's capable of doing. What you can do with these softwares that I recommend is find established businesses, maybe coaching programs, info products, etc. Go out to them and say, hey, I will build you an AI SaaS platform. I'll create an AI version of yourself or whatever. And then you just pay me, a couple $1,000s and a few $1,000s a month to maintain it. This is going to be a huge, huge wave. This allows us to build platforms that would have cost hundreds of thousands of dollars just a year or two ago and now cost little to nothing. So really, really cool implementations. You can work out equity deals on these softwares. You can work out, pay per project plus retainers on these softwares. And it actually doesn't take that much to set up. You can build out some really cool, insane stuff with these, and businesses will pay a lot for this kind of stuff once they realize that, oh wow, they can actually implement this. There's other potential for like custom dashboards in for companies, etc. There's so much potential when it comes to AI SaaS. And with these AI tools now, the next 6 to 12 months of AI is going to be brutal, especially if I'm a SaaS company, because Spotify, School, pretty much any SaaS or software that you can think of, I can copy with one prompt using Lovable, Replit, or Cursor, Browser Bolt, whatever you use. Because instead of, spending $100,000 development costs, I can just copy anyone's software. So if you see a software you like, you can essentially copy the UI, obviously be legally compliant, and then boom, you've got a software that does any features and functionality that you want pretty quickly. The final strategy, if you want to get rich with AI in 2025, is AI-driven copywriting. This is probably one of the easiest ones to start with, but most businesses, they need scripts for ads, they need scripts for emails, they need scripts for content, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, all the major social media platforms, right? And that's where you come in, is most of the time, most business owners don't have enough time, energy, and effort to sit down and write all those scripts. So what you can do is come up with a copy for those businesses. And this is actually really easy with AI. So what I would do is I would pick like the highest leveraging things, saying like ads, emails, reactivation. I would add some Instagram or organic content, some LinkedIn posts, etc. And then once I signed a client on one of those platforms, I would either build them a custom poppy board, which is a really cool software that I love like this, where you can give it, feed it information on your existing client, like your Instagram short content, give it information about the offer, and then give it some ideas that you like Nick Sarah is somebody that I always like his content. So I wanted to create some videos in his, format. So plugged in my videos, my offer, his videos, and then I had it spit out a ton of scripts, as you can see here. So this is a really cool thing to be able to produce a ton of content. You can build the same boards for your clients if they're doing LinkedIn posts, if they're doing email blasts, etc., and produce some really good creative. If you don't have Poppy or you don't want to pay like $500,000 a year, whatever Poppy is, you can always build out your own GPT prompts, like your own folder inside of GPT, or Claude is what I usually recommend for copy and what we use. So really, really cool stuff there. And I think this one's valuable. You can charge thousands of dollars a month for these services, and a lot of businesses will pay, especially after you build up case studies and show results based off of your copy. You can exponentially increase your prices. If I wanted to just basically do my own work, right? If I just wanted to work a few hours per week by myself, not really run a big team, make 10, 20, 30K a month, this is probably the thing that I would do. Honestly, you don't have to have as crazy much output or complications or team members. You can do this by yourself. You make 5 to 30K a month, basically by yourself doing all the copy, especially with some of these AI-driven tools. So it's a really cool strategy that I would definitely check out. Now that you've seen 7 different strategies that you can use to replace your 9-to-5 and get businesses to pay you thousands of dollars per month, you now need to see the full scope of what's possible with AI in 2026. And there are many more strategies with massive income potential if you know where to look. So check out this video where I go through the top 22 AI-driven ad strategies to pick the right one so you can go and execute and get clients paying you thousands of dollars every single month.